Yeah. Good afternoon, Commissioners. My name is Sean Garrity, I'm the zoning enforcement officer for the city of Danbury. And just to bring up to speed when the application was submitted and a little bit more about the application history. Zoning Board of Appeals has received an application from Attorney Neil Marcus, filed on behalf of Trying to Shoot Associates LLC for a use variance in section 4B2 of the zoning regulations pursuant to section 11B2B to allow medical recycling and scrapyard. In accordance with section 11B4A, the ZBA referred this application to the Planning Commission and the Zoning Commission for review and report. After due consideration, both commissions issued a recommendation of negative report.
Mr. Martin?
I just want to put into the record that we have a negative recommendation from the Planning Commission and a negative recommendation from the Zoning Commission.
Bruce,
okay.
I want to know if your presentation this evening includes the residential piece of property that is on this map. That's a simple question. If it doesn't include it, we're all set. But if it doesn't, you know, there's a technicality here.
No. The problem is that you use the term the residential property.
Right,
let me break it up. The whole piece is residential.
Okay, let me rephrase.
If you talk about the house lot, use the house
lot. The house lot
Right.
with the house. Is that part of your presentation?
No.
Okay,
It's not part of the
that is not
variance.
part of the presentation, Mr. Marcus. Then we have advertised this as one whole piece. And if you're making a presentation this evening, not including that part, then technically we can't, by law, hear that. You have to come back and resubmit. If you are making a presentation for the entire piece, including the house, then you can go forward. It's a very simple deduction, so I leave it up to you. And that's the way I present my question.
So, I guess it's the spin you want to put on it.
Okay,
So-
but that's not the way we advertise it, Mr.
Yeah,
Martin.
I
We
know.
advertise it as was presented to the board and to the city of Danbury as the entire parcel is being presented for rezoning for in the RN4 zone for the metal shop. Now, all I'm saying,
Yes.
is legal question, is that we advertise everything under one parcel. If in fact you are coming in now and you are saying that I've got the right of way, but I'm not using the house parcel, then we have to re-advertise. We're talking about the actual use of a residential house. You're submitting an application that you are requesting the use of that house on one piece of property. If you're stating now that you're not going to use that house and you're going to strictly use 4 acres and leave that house now, then we advertised it wrong. I'd like a motion to table this for another meeting until we get corporate counsel lawyers.